What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the Turbo Racing's 172 car. Now let's unbox it. Some stickers. Here you can see this is a Mini Cooper. This is a 176 car. It's so small, and this may be the world's first RTR 176. Here you can see it is so small here. Wow, so cute. So cute. Oh, by the way, there is two body, and you can paint by yourself and what color you like. Two body, hard body, plastic, and this is the transmitter. A lot of companies use these transmitters. This is a manual and the charger. And this is a big R clip. I don't know what to do with this. And that's all. Now you can see this little car, front and rear lights. Let's weigh it. This little car is 12.7 grams. So light and so small. Now this is a 550 brushed motors. You can see it's so small. You can see the throttle and the steering are all scaled. So I think it's not a toy, it's a real RC. Thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye!